How to use Gemini Gems, build your own AI assistant. Now, what if you could create your own custom AI assistant that actually thinks, responds, and works exactly the way that you want? Now, that's exactly what Gemini Gems allows you to do. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you on how you're going to be able to build a gem and use it step by step. So by the end of this video, you're going to know what Gemini gems are, how you're going to want to create your own, how to customize them for different tasks, and how to actually use them to save your time and boost your productivity. Now, this is one of the most powerful features most people are going to completely ignore. All right. So this is something you're going to want to focus on properly and watch till the end. So, what are Gemini Gems? Let's go ahead and simplify it. Gemini Gems are custom AI assistants that you can create inside Google's Gemini ecosystem. So instead of typing the same instructions over and over again, you build a gem that already knows what to do. So, for example, you can create a proper content writer, a coding assistant, a business advisor, a study helper. Each one is going to have its own personality, tone, and instructions. Think of it like saving your brain as a tool and reusing it anytime. So, if you want to go ahead and get access to the Gemini gems, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to Gemini and you're going to have your account logged in. Now, once your account is fully logged in and you're set it up, go inside your account and you're going to be looking for the gems section. Okay. Now, usually the gems are going to appear in your connected apps, okay, or it's going to give you a custom assistant section. Now, that is something you're going to find in the create, manage, or edit your assistant. Now, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come to the top left section where it says expand menu. And here it's going to give you gems. All right. If you don't see it, it might still be rolling out. But once you get access, everything we're covering here is going to be applied to it. All right. So simply click on gems right here. And this is what it opens up. Build AI apps, a new kind of gem from Google Labs. Create and share AI mini apps and custom workflows with Google Labs. Try a pre-made gem to start or remix to make it your own. Then you have gems made by labs like Recipe Genie, Marketing Maven, Claymation Explainer, Learning with YouTube, etc. Now, what you can do is you can create one yourself. So to create a gem, you're going to click on New Gem. Once you click on New Gem, it's going to bring you here. It says, describe the mini app that you want to build. Looking for inspiration, try one of our prompts. They're even going to give you some example prompts. You're going to be defining the name, the purpose, and instructions. This is the most important part. Don't just tell it to help me write. Go ahead and be specific. Like you are a professional YouTube script writer, all right? You can write in something like that. So let's say this is my prompt right here. You are a professional YouTube script writer. Write engaging high retention scripts with hooks, storytelling, and clear structure. You want your instructions to be very clear. The better you write it, the better your results are. Then you can also write in prompts like analyzing a meeting transcript and draft an email, an app that takes a given resume and a job description, take a photo of the leftovers in the fridge and generate different recipes, etc. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and write that. Now, once we go ahead and write that in for ourselves, I'm simply going to go ahead and sign in with the Gmail account to accept these terms. And once the terms are accepted, you're simply going to go ahead, write in the hook. And as you can see, it uses the Opal app, which is basically an experimented beta device that will create your application. Now, slowly, it's going to go ahead and understand your prompt. And in live time, it's going to show you the application generating over here and the steps that it goes through. All right. Now, do remember, because I cannot stress over more on this fact, you need to write powerful instructions. Most people mess up over here. Your instructions should include the role of the AI, what it does, how it responds, and the output format. Instead of saying something like write a blog, Go ahead and tell it to write a detailed SEO blog post with headings, examples, and a conversational tone targeted at beginners. You get the point? So this transforms the output completely. So as you can see, once our app is done, as you can see, these are the steps it's going to go with. So video topic, you're going to give it to it. Then target audience, you're going to give that to it. Desired tone, generate YouTube script, and then render YouTube script as web page. Now, as you can see, the whole thing is done. We're going to go ahead and open it up and let's see how it works. So we're going to click on start. Describe the main topic of your video. So let's say the topic is going to be something like, let's go with 5 Excel functions that make other unnecessary. So we're going to come here and hit this. You're going to go ahead and apply that. Who is the intended audience for the video? So for this topic, the intended audience could be tech or work office. Let's go with the university. Let's go with something like freelancers, and finally let's go with something like early adults to mid-age people. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and write that in, and that completes our prompt. So tech, work, office, university, freelancers, early adults to mid-age people. We're gonna add that. What is the desired tone for the script? Let's go with expressive, then professional. All right, and let's go with engaging. All right. Once this is done, we're going to apply that. And as you can see, it starts thinking. The application starts working on its own. Now, this is how it becomes practical. Once your gem is created, you can start using it like a normal AI, but obviously a normal AI that is much smarter. For example, you can ask your gem to generate, scripts just like the way I've told you, or create a business gem and use it to analyze ideas for yourself. Use a study gem to explain concepts. The key difference is that you don't need to re-explain everything every time. It will already know what to do and how to do it. So as you can see, it starts its generation, and obviously as it thinks, you're simply going to need to wait and you're going to wait for it to load things up for you. And the fun part about it is that you can actually click away and go do other things while it generates. That's the fun part about using a software like this. So we're simply going to wait for it to load our things in. Till then, let me tell you about how you're going to want to improve or refine your gems. All right. And of course, when it comes to improving or refining, the first version of your gem will not be perfect, and that's completely fine. You can use it, test it, and then actually improve it. If responses actually feel off, you can update the instructions, add more detail, adjust the tone, and refine the outputs. Think of this like training your assistant over time. So the more you refine it, the better it's going to become for you. So to level up, you can create multiple gems for different types of purposes. And those could be for content creation, marketing, and other things. Basically, you can create a whole marketing agency. Now, as you can see, 5 Excel functions that make 41 others unnecessary. Look at this. The hook and intro. Visual direction, fast-paced montage of Excel struggles, still using VLOOKUP, etc. As you can see, it gives you a whole look around on how you're going to want to do this. Pretty incredible, right? Now, again, it's a pretty basic script. It's not really giving me a lot of things to talk about. It's basically a mind map. It's a blue structure, a blueprint of what I need to do. But you get the point. It did the right thing that I told it to do. Obviously, you can refine it later on to tell it what to do specifically. And that is basically about it. That is how you can work on Gemini gems for yourself and get the best applications in need. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.